Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. Saturday Showcase is where I share all the creations that I've made throughout the week. This Saturday Showcase is actually for 2 weeks because I just didn't get a chance to make the video last week. I do not have anything linked below because it's been kind of a mess. My old blog is still marking everything as spam, and I'm publishing it, and then sometimes it'll get reinstated, sometimes it won't. So I opened up a new blog, which I will officially be using exclusively starting September 1st. But for now, posts are kind of jumbled a little bit everywhere. The new blog seems to not have the issue that the old one does, so I'm crossing my fingers that I have solved that problem. But until then, it was just too much of a nightmare to find which posts were on what blog and everything. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below and I will do my best to answer them. And let's get on to what I have created. And I do not remember when all of these were, so we'll just enjoy them. So I know this was for a Newton's Nook challenge. It was a color challenge. This is the floral fringe stamp set, and the dies are also from Newton's Nook. So happy you're my friend. Just that on the inside, and I do have lots of stickles on it, so it does shimmer and shine. Have this one from Krista Smith. It was a freebie that she gave away. It was so fun to color up. I love that I got the freckles. I really love adding freckles. Then on the inside, I used a sentiment from a Not Too Shabby stamp. Plants are my therapy. So there's that one. This one was so fun with the foil. All kinds of pink and Maine goodies. That little dragon with his glasses. Hello, friend. And there he is on the inside. It's just so shiny and pretty. And then I made a couple tags for a Craft and Kimmy challenge using the Squirrel Friends stamp set, and these tags are from Sunny Studios. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. The paper's from Not Too Shabby. Happy fall, warm fall wishes. I can't wait. I love fall. I like to craft for it, and I also love the season. It's my favorite season. Then we have a new sketch challenge at the Inky Paws challenge for Newton's Nook. I like this because cats. I thought it was super fun, and I was really amazed how fast this went together since I didn't color anything on it. Super, super fun. Then I had my Farewell to Summer collab with Teresa, where I made these 4 cards. She's my favorite with all of her freckles. Just has flags on the inside. And then there's this one. Again, just flags on the inside. Make a splash. She's so cool. And then Life is Good. Goodness, excuse me. Allergies. Yep, always have allergies. I made this one for the Crafty Fun with Friends of LV Handcrafted Facebook group. There's an adventure challenge going on right now. This is another Krista Smith image. I had so much fun coloring her. Reds are really hard for me to get like contrast and details, but I think I did a really good job on her. And then enjoy the journey as much as the destination. There's that one. And then this one was also for that challenge. It's the perfect day for an adventure. These stamps are from Craft and Kimmy called Perfect Adventure, which I thought was perfect. They have lots of glossy accents on them and just so much fun on a slimline. And so there are my cards from the last 2 weeks. I have been busy-ish. Still, I guess it's about the same, maybe a little better, maybe a little worse. I don't know. My arm from the pinched nerve chiropractor has helped other areas though, so I'm still happy with that. And I just keep going on, going on. Tomorrow is when my daughter leaves for college, so all kinds of changes happening, new blog, new routine, all the things. But anyways, thanks so much for stopping by. And until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.